Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech Page. Many iPhone users are reporting that AirDrop not working on iPhone. They could not send or receive files via AirDrop. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Firstly, make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Solution 1 is refresh airplane mode. To do this, go to Settings app. Enable airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds, then disable it. Now check AirDrop is working or not. Solution 2 is set everyone for AirDrop. First, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Here, tap on AirDrop. Make sure that everyone is selected. If not, switch it to everyone. If contacts only is selected, you can send and receive files that you have saved on your iPhone. Solution 3 is switch off VPN. To do this, go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on VPN and Device Management. If VPN is enabled, disable it, then try to share your files. Solution 4 is check the restrictions. Launch Settings app. Next, tap on Screen Time. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, tap on Allowed Apps. Make sure that AirDrop is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it. Solution 5 is reboot your iPhone. Restart your device and receiver's device too. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Turn off your device by dragging the slide to power off slider to right side. Wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Solution 6 is force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 series and iPhone SE second generation, do the following steps to force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Lastly, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps to force restart. Press and hold the sleep or wake button and volume down button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. If you have iPhone 6s Plus and earlier models, do the following steps to force restart. Press and hold the home button and side button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 7 is reset network settings. Resetting the network settings resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. Make sure that you know your Wi-Fi passwords. To do this, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset. Here, tap on Reset Network Settings. Next, enter the passcode of your iPhone. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 8 is Reset All Settings. This process resets your all customized settings to default settings, but no data or media will be deleted. First, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone at bottom. Tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings. It will be prompted to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Tap Reset All Settings here. Again tap Reset All Settings to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.